Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jel. For today's video, I will show you how to solve exponential inequalities. Solving exponential inequalities, it seems like solving exponential equations. Yung base natin doon sa solving exponential equations, dapat magkaparehas and equate the exponent. So, ganun din dito sa solving exponential inequalities. Dapat yung basis natin ay magkatulad and then yung exponent natin ay equate din natin. Okay, yun nga lang, pinagkaiba nila, equal symbol, and dito naman yung mga greater than or less than, or greater than to, or is less than or equal to. Okay, so let's discuss the property of exponential inequalities. If b is positive number other than 1, then b to the x power is greater than b to the y if and only if x is greater than y, and b raised to x is less than b raised to y if and only if x is less than y. So dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, yung sense ng inequality natin ay hindi nagbago. Okay, so note, if the base is greater than 1, then the direction of the inequality is retained. Okay, so dapat titignan palagi natin yung base natin, kung greater than 1 ba siya or less than 1. Okay, so another property of exponential inequality, which is if b is greater than 0 but less than 1, so ganun natin siya binabasa, b is greater than 0 but less than 1, then b raised to x is greater than b raised to y if and only if x is less than y. So dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, from greater than, naging less than. So note, if the base is less than 1, then the direction of the inequality is reversed. So mababago siya. Okay? Kung less than. Kaya titignan palagi natin yung mga bases nila. Okay? Kung less than 1 ba siya. Kung greater than 1, retained lang yung sense ng inequality natin. Okay? Kung greater than, kung less than, less than. Pero, we have rules in solving inequalities, no? Kung matatandaan natin, sabi natin doon, if both sides of an inequality are multiplied by or divided by the same positive real number, the sense of inequality is not changed. If both sides of an inequality are multiplied by or divided by the same negative real number, the sense of the inequality is changed. So, mababago pagka nagdi-divide tayo or nagmumultiply tayo ng negative numbers. So, let's discuss muna yung examples natin. Solve each inequality. Okay, solve each exponential inequality. So, we have two examples here. And don't worry, magbibigay pa ako ng another example sa susunod na video natin. Okay? So, number 1, 2 raised to 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 512. Okay, mag-solution tayo. 2 raised to 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 512. As what I have mentioned earlier, sabi ko, solving exponential inequalities, it seems like solving exponential equations. So, dapat i-express natin yung both bases natin sa exponential form. Okay, so as we observe naman guys, yung one of the bases natin ito ay 2, so greater than 1 siya. Okay, so meaning kung greater than to, okay, kung greater than, so greater than pa rin yon. So hindi siya mababago. Okay, retained. Kung less than pa rin siya. Pero kapag nag-divide tayo ng negative number or nag-multiply tayo ng negative number, mababago yung sense of inequality natin. Okay? So, we need to express 512 in exponential form. Kaya nga, diniscuss muna natin yung exponential equations on how to express a number in its exponential form, no? So, 2 raised to 4x plus 1. Copy nyo lang yan, guys, kasi hindi mo na siya ma-express in exponential form. Is less than or equal to 512. So, what is 512 in exponential form? So, that is equal to, since ang base natin ay 2, so dapat dito ay 2 rin. So, 2 raised to 9. Okay. So, you can check using your scientific calculator, 2 raised to 9 is about 512. Okay? So guys, dito napapansin natin, magkaparehas na yung mga bases natin, right? So the next thing to do ay tignan natin yung inequality symbol na ginamit. So ito ay less than or equal to. Ito ay hindi mababago guys kasi ang base natin ay greater than 1. Okay? So meaning, hindi natin babaguhin to. So retained lang siya. So equate now the exponent. So 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 9. Okay? So kumbaga, drop the bases, no? Okay? By combining like terms, so we do have 4x copy is less than or equal to 9. Bring down. Si positive 1, ililipat ko. Magiging negative 1. Okay? So, subtract. Bring down 4x is less than or equal to 9 minus 1 equals 8. Solving for x, guys, so we need to divide all terms by 4. Positive 4 kasi, positive 4 yung katabi ng variable x natin or yung numerical coefficient niya. So, divide natin yan. So, that is equal to 1x or x only, no? Okay. So, dito guys, yung sinabi ko kanina, so if both sides of an inequality are multiplied by or divided by the same positive real number, so same positive real number siya, so the sense of inequality is not changed. So, hindi natin siya babaguhin. So, retain. So, less than or equal to 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. Okay? Nakuha ba guys? So, therefore, ang sagot natin dito guys ay using set builder notation, ang solution set natin ay x is an element of all real numbers such that x is less than or equal to 2. Okay? So, using set builder notation, ganito yung sagot natin. So, what if pina-express sa inyo ng teacher niya na ang sagot ay using interval notation naman. Ito kasi set builder notation. So, using interval notation, since less than or equal to 2 yan, so meaning mas mababa kay 2. Can we allow 2 as our solution set? Yes, kasi equal to, no? So, meaning, so less than or equal to 2. So, using interval notation, this becomes, or lagyan tayo ng or dito, ha? Okay. Negative infinity. Okay. And then, since 2 ay kasama kasi equal to yon, and then use bracket. Okay. So, ganito siya using interval notation. Okay. Naintindihan ba? Okay, to check whether our answer is correct, isa-substitute lang natin or kukuha tayo ng isa sa mga solution set dito. Let's say positive 2 kasi kasama rin naman siya, no? Para ma-prove natin na yung dito sa left hand side natin ay mas mababa kaysa kay 512. Okay, mag-checking tayo. Actually guys, pwede hindi natin ipakita yung checking, pero i-prove lang natin na mas lesser yung nandito sa left hand side kaysa sa right hand side. Okay. So dito guys, since x is pwede rin ang 2, so pwede natin siyang gamitin. Okay? Or kung gusto nyo, mas mababa kaysa kay 2, basta less than 2, which is 1. Okay. So, I'll be using 1. Let's say if x equals 1. Okay, so substitution. 2 raised to 4x plus 1 equal, less than or equal to 512. Okay? So, dito guys, substitution lang. 4 raised to 1 Paano natin ako yung 1? Kasi nga, sabi natin, less than sa 2. Okay? Pero pwede rin ang 2. Okay? And then, plus 1 is less than or equal to 512. Okay, so 2 raised to 4 times 1 equals 4, added by 1 is less than or equal to 512. So 2 raised to 4 plus 1 equals 5, right? So less than or equal to 512. What is 2 raised to 5? Okay, very good. The answer is 32. Tama? 32 is less than or equal to 512. So which is true statement? Na ang 32 ay mas mababa kaysa kay 512. Okay? Nakuha ba, guys? Okay, another example, number 2. Sa number 2, guys, ang given natin ay, okay, dito na lang natin isulat. Sa number 2, quantity 1 over 10 close raised to x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 1 over 100 close raised to 3x. Okay, so ito yung given natin sa number 2, yung sa second example natin. So same procedure pa rin tayo, dapat make the bases equal. So, ito ay copy nyo lang yan. So, 1 over 10 close raised to x plus 5 is greater than or equal to, okay, how do we express 1 over 100 in exponential form? So, dapat, ang goal natin, maging 1 over 10 din yan. Okay, diba? Yung 100 ay, we can express as 10 squared in exponential form. Tama? Okay. So, this becomes 1 over 10 close raised to second power. Kasi 1 squared ay 1, 10 squared ay 100. Gets? And, of course, we still have exponent for this expression. So, raised to 3x yan. Huwag kakalimutan. It makes sense to put the parenthesis kasi meron tayong exponent pa rito. Okay. So, guys, dito, napansin natin, magkapares na yung mga bases natin. Okay. But, sabi natin dun sa property natin, if B, okay, ito yon, if B is greater than 0 but less than 1, so, ito yon, then B raised to X is greater than B raised to Y if and only if X is less than Y. So, nabago yung inequality symbol natin dito. So, mare-reverse siya. If the base is less than 1, mas mababa kaysa kay 1, then the direction of the inequality is reverse. Nakuha? Okay, mababago. Okay, B, represent natin as base yon. So, dito, yung 1 over 10, nakikita naman natin ay less than 1 yan. Tama? Kapag dinivide natin. Okay, so, pabaguhin natin to. So, equate natin yung exponent. X plus 5. Okay? So, yung sense ng inequality natin, mababago yan. Kung greater than or equal to, magiging less than or equal to. Gets? Okay. And then, 2 raised to 3x. 2 times 3x, pwede na natin i-multiply yan. It will become positive 6x. Okay, by combining like terms, so x, si positive 6x, ilipat ko magiging negative 6x, right? And then is less than or equal to, si positive 5, ilipat ko magiging negative 5. Okay, so x minus 6x, it will become to negative 5x. Is less than or equal to negative 5. Okay, solving for x, i-divide natin, or by the division property of equality, divide all terms by negative 5. Sir, bakit po i-divide natin by negative 5? Kasi yun yung katabi ng variable x natin para mawala. Dapat walang katabi yung variable x maliban sa 1. Okay? So, cancel, cancel. So, sabi natin kanina, pag nag-divide tayo or nag-multiply tayo ng negative number, both sides of the inequality, meaning mababago yung sense of inequality natin. Okay? Mababago to. The sense of the inequality is change. So, from less than or equal to, magiging greater than or equal to 1. Okay? Nakuha ba guys? Okay. So, dito guys, ang magiging sagot natin ay x. Using set builder notation, x is an element, okay, of all real numbers such that x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay? So, if we wish to express our answer using interval notation, okay, greater than or equal to 1, so which means, meron tayo dito, so ito ay greater than or equal to 1, so dapat ganito ang magiging sagot natin. So, bracket, and then 1 to positive infinity. So, open interval yon. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so dito guys, hindi ko na ipapakita yung checking. So, dapat ang sagot natin ay x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so kung meron kayong mga katanungan, you can write or encode or type your questions sa comment section, no? Okay, susubukan natin sagutin yan. Okay, so this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Thank you for watching.